Yesterday's drop was crazy. I was able to grab the stuff I wanted, so that was pretty cool. You can see one of the sleeper items on the community place on this YouTube channel. That's one of the things I picked up. You can see that video next week. Today, there were also the Yeezy minivans, or whatever you want to call them. They're 700s, the bright yellow, or green, I guess if you want to call them green. Anyways, those dropped, plus the Supreme box logo. So went after both of those, tried, but everything sold out. So anyways, it's a really crazy mail day. I'm delivering to every single house, just insane. So yeah, 10-hour plus day for me. Thankfully, I'm just about finished up. Today I saw that my item arrived, so we'll get to the studio, we'll go check it out. Hope you like the change. Hope you like that. I changed it up a bit in the studio. Let me know what you think. And we're here. Thank you all for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button. Once I hit 3,000 subs, I'm gonna be giving away a sticker pack or a bunch of sticker packs to one lucky winner who follows the directions in the description. Send me a DM to my Instagram, we'll get started. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm not sure what all of you were trying to go after. I know a bunch of people wanted that straw mat, but you know, it didn't happen for everybody. So first off, in here we do have a little Supreme sticker pack. It has some stickers, that chrome one. I've got nowhere to put these now. I've got a box for them. First off, we're gonna break into the t-shirt. I'm gonna be wearing both of these items for you here in a minute. So, I probably shouldn't put this shipping bag on my clean stuff over there. But anyways, okay, so this is a little bit different. This Supreme tee did not come with any sort of sticker on the plastic. It's just, yeah, straight up in a plastic bag that seals. Way different than most of the Supreme tees come. So what they did instead is they gave us this old school Supreme tag that they haven't been doing on a whole lot of stuff recently, but hey, let's bring it back. I'll do some close-ups on this little tag. The back side of that tag. And just, you know, Supreme Square logo. Supreme box logo on the other side. Got your pre-shrunk 100% cotton. Back side of that, really vivid Supreme in there. And this is just a tube shirt, it's not a jersey tee, so there is no tag on the inside, just on the back of the neck up at the top. This tee does hit close to home a bit. I live in Great Falls, Montana, and the very first UFO video recording in the 1950s happened here by the baseball stadium. The baseball stadium here in Great Falls later on changed its name to the Voyagers. At the time it was the Dodgers, Great Falls Dodgers, and they have now a mascot that is an alien. So in this town, there's a whole bunch of people who are totally into believing in aliens and all the government conspiracies and everything. There's even a book, I even have it. Let me grab it. There it is right there. Got some information about it if anybody wants to pause and read that. I don't know if you'll ever get a good shot, but you know, yeah, I've read a little bit of this book, not all the way through. I read the first chapter, it was amazing. And so yeah, UFOs are just something that is somewhat normal around this area. We've got graffiti downtown depicting alien stuff and just different things around the city, so it just kind of ties in. And honestly, I am such a sucker for a good conspiracy. I love conspiracy so much. I used to listen to a ton of different podcasts on conspiracy theories, watch all the TV shows and everything, but yeah, after a few years of digging down that rabbit hole, you know, you start really searching for truth, and so I've been on this journey. You guys know about it. But anyways, I'm gonna get into the next item from last week's pickup. And yeah, these shorts actually have some stickers on the plastic. Size small on the front side. Back side, you have some warning information. And then your sticker tag. There it is for you sticker tag lovers. With this bag, again, they're just doing that fold over and seal setup, which I don't think is as secure, but actually this one is not coming undone. Okay, here we go, never mind. It is just like the other one, almost. But here are the shorts. Simple X is apparently our brand. A comfortable swimming trouser. You also have this piece of tissue paper in between. These aren't looking too bad right off the bat. I like these different pieces of fabric they have to write that Supreme logo on there. I'll go ahead and zoom in on some of these tags. Anybody who wants to see them. We have on this back side the Supreme shorts, size small. our other tag. Fancy, right? Oh yeah. Look at that. Supple X. We have our wash tag inside on this fishnet. And get your care instructions, right? There they are. For viewing pleasure. There is a pocket on the inside for like your keys, like right on the inside underneath that S, there's a pocket under there. These do have 2 side pockets, which is so vital for me. I really want shorts with side pockets just because it's so convenient. Sometimes you need that comfort of putting your hand in your pocket. It's just a normal thing. I got these shorts last spring, summer season, and I've been basically getting a pair of water shorts every year. These ones I don't really want to sell, I want to keep them. I really like these. I don't know, I'm gonna wear these a bit. We'll see how I like them, how they work with some different fits and whatnot. But yeah, so without further ado, oh wait, here, let me show you this embroidery real quick. There it is for you. A pretty embroidery. Yes. And all of our letters all stitched in there. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna throw these on now. Let's go. And okay, these work really well together. I was thinking when I made my order that they were gonna work so well. So I took a screenshot. Basically, there we go, yeah. I mean, obviously it looks way better together now, but that can always be opinion. So what do you guys think? You guys like these shorts? Got all that lettering down there. This shirt, definitely a good matchup with it. Not too perfectly matching. That's how you gotta work it, right? Just a little subtle. For fit on these shorts, they definitely are a little bit longer than last spring, summer shorts. These ones are a bit shorter. They have a bit more length, so that feels kind of nice. I am a 30 waist. These feel like they could go all the way up to a 34-inch waist or down to 26. I mean, they do have the drawstring, so if you need a little bit higher, you know, you got that. You got that option. Make sure to hit me up with all of your conspiracy stuff. I love chatting about that. I mean, I don't know enough about it to make a channel about it or anything like that. I'm not going to do the research. I barely have the time to do all the research on this resale game. I really don't do enough research on it, honestly. But yeah, so this is definitely a hobby of mine, and it's really taken over my previous hobby, which was music, my love for music. I still play once in a while. When I find a good tune, I'll, you know, normally it's playing on the piano, take a little video of it, save it. But right now, most all my music is just coming out in these background videos and just play music just on my own, just enjoying the day. But that's what you really gotta do right now. During this time, you gotta find things to fill up your time. And even after this whole thing is over, which it seems like we're about towards the end of this whole quarantine thing, whatever, that's still going on right now in my life. Anyways, we gotta find ways to get out there and get around other people and be loving to them, show them kindness, because some people can get a little cynical, you know, thinking in their head about all these side stories about events and how they could play out. And normally they get pretty dark. So we need to shed some light, shed some positivity. That's what I love to do with these videos. And I'm going to actually share with you guys from the YouVersion Bible app on my phone. Actually, 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 9 says, "The Lord isn't slow to do what he promises, as some people think. Rather, he is patient for your sake. He doesn't want to destroy anyone, but wants all people to have an opportunity to turn to him and to change the way they think and act." Right off the bat, what's wrong with our thinking? What's wrong? Why do we need to change our thinking and the way we act? Well, a lot of times we can act selfish. We can do things just to push other people down that makes us feel better on the inside. There's all these different situations where people are just savage. And Jesus was trying to help people understand that you don't have to live that way. You can live to be loving and caring for other people. And this verse is also saying that God doesn't want anyone at all to be rejected or to go without knowing love, so he's going to do everything to reach out and to pull every single human being out of this darkness of self-pity or torment or whatever this life brings you and tears you down with, and he wants to show you love, whether in this life or the next. And that's what I personally believe. I hope you can come to a place where you find peace in your life, because that is where true freedom lies. Thank you all again for following me along on these days, and yeah, hopefully I'll get some more luck with some of these drops coming up and we can look at some cool stuff. But until next week, catch me in the DMs, y'all.